Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hey, hello everyone. So I'm just done mowing the property and we are going to have a cold front again today. So before that cold front comes, I wanted to share with you the beauty of my callias and my oncidiums and my phalaenopsis and my orchids, because look, oh, it's been so beautiful for a few days already. Like this one here, this is my big kiss. She's been blooming in a few days already, and and she smells so delicious. I wanted to eat her. Actually, the smell of her flower smells like cotton fruit. In Philippines, we call it santol. That's how this pretty baby smells. And this one here, my Cattleya Williams, what's this? Williams drumbit. I don't smell anything yet. Let me do it again. Yeah, I can't smell it yet, but look how pretty these two blooms. If you remember, this has three buds, but for whatever reason, the first bud fell off. So I only have two left, but look how huge this flower is. It's like so big. It's bigger than my palm. So that's one of my Cattleya, and look at that. And this one here, my oncidium, where's the name? There we go. That's his name. Yep. And this bloom started to bloom 4 days ago. So I have this pretty bloom for 4 days already. Look how pretty this butterflies actually. And there's still two more buds to open. And this one here, look, that's almost gone, but these two here, oh, it's doing so great. And this is here's the name. Yep, that's him. And my dendrobium, what's the name of this? My dendrobium love memorifis, it's done blooming, but this one smells so yummy still. And look at this, my Leopoldo. I'm gonna show you the name. There you go. It's already started to bloom last week too. 2 weeks ago it already started to bloom these buds, and I already lost 1 2 3 4 5 blooms from this one. But look how pretty. And then yesterday, while I was trying to rearrange them, I saw this little spike here growing too. That's not there when I got this. But that one there though, I don't know if it's still gonna grow because it stays like that. Anyway, that's my babies that are growing so beautiful. And look here, my orchids. It's so big already, but I don't know what happened to these. Maybe I'm giving them too much water, or maybe they need a food. So I need to give them food maybe tomorrow, because I'm so tired right now. So I can't do it, and I am so hungry. I'm starving actually already. And this one here, look, it has a bud. And damn, look at this one here. Ta-da! It already opened 3 of it. It only has 5 buds. This is the one that shoots a spike on winter times. And look, it did not give up any of her buds, and she's just pushing and pushing and pushing. And look how pretty the color is. Oh, if you are just gonna see it in person, oh, it's so pretty. There are some iridescent color, if you can see. I hope you can see it. And the Look at the nose, it's so pretty. But this one just opened today. This one been open for a few days, maybe a week already. But this one here, it's open few days too. See that? Oh, so beautiful. But anyway, those are the ones that are growing so vigorously and blooming so good. And my my celeriana, it has a new leaf. Oh yes, but it gave up her spike though, but it has a new growth here too. I hope I can show it with y'all. See that node there? That's a new growth. I don't know if it's still growing or not, but I am so happy it shoots a new leaf. I've been wanting for her to get another leaf because it's cold already. I think the cold weather is here already. But look at this one here. My Phalaenopsis has no names. Only my Celeriana has name because I bought it with name. And these ones here, I just bought it in a big box store, you know. So that's why they don't have a name. But anyway, that bloom's been blooming for months already. It doesn't want to give up. And look, it shoots more buds. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 buds more from that. Even this one here, it also shoots a buds. It's forming more buds here. All of them are actually giving more secondary spike. I mean, you know, they're trying to branch. See that there? I hope you can see it. Yeah, but all of them, look at this one here, has a bud forming again, and that one too. Yeah, all of the buds of this one, this is the only one that left. All of them got blasted from winter, but it's shooting more. Yep, more. And this one here, look, I have 1 2 3 4 5 more. Yes, this just forming. I think they started to form this again last week, and look how long this is already. I think that's like 2 inches long already. Yep, and it's doing so well. I am so happy. And look at this one here. This is the one that came from Carmela's Orchids, the one that my husband's gifted for me. Yep, I put it there. That's just, I'm going to as soon as this oncidium's done blooming, they're gonna be going to be mounted, because that's where they're gonna be. And look here, if you remember, I repotted and I divided my Humonga Danga Monstera Deliciosa. Here they are. They're doing so good now. It seems like they did not care that I divided them into 6. Yeah, I ended up dividing them into 6 because, see, I have 4 here. This one here, the second big one, and that one there. And look, here's another one, a little bitty one. And I have 2 more little ones there at my other rack. So that's where they are. Oops, my microphone cord is trying to make mess. So anyway, I think that's all for today's video. I am just so excited with these blooms. Look at that, how pretty my little jungle are. I mean, is I don't care what I said. And look. So I think that's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and I would like to shout out again my friends, Timperty, Barangay YPL, Kabansot, Cactus Family, PT Joiners, and Kuya Coldwood TV, Ati Fighter Dinah, Bukal Queen, Nana's Day. Thank you so much. Sisi Love, Kusina ni Tina and stuff, Ati Kelismo. Thank you so much. Kuya Pudik TV, thank you so much for your help all the time. I know I'm too much, but you always try to understand me. Anyway, I've been yep, I am being a brat sister with y'all, but I think I'm cute when I do that. I'm just kidding. Anyway, this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.